Hi friends, this is your lesson 4 exit ticket. So just like we practiced, you are going to use those centimeter snap cubes to measure these two objects, okay? So remember, we have to line it up end to end or side to side, okay? So don't stick those cubes in the middle of your objects. Make sure they're all the way down at the side or all the way down at the bottom. See how many snap cubes are measured this picture frame? The picture frame is blank centimeter cubes long, okay? So write that number in of how many snap cubes is this. And then the same thing for the boy's crutch. So use this line, not the boy, okay? Don't measure the whole boy, but just his crutch, which is this thing right here that helps him walk when he broke his leg. So you can see where that line is. You're gonna measure how long this line is. The boy's crutch is about how many centimeter cubes long, okay? So remember, end to end of this line. Measure how many cubes it takes and write those on the line.